In a fast-moving engineering environment, we often get tired of repeating the same task again and again during design, such as renaming features, exporting files, and applying standard settings. So if these tasks can be automated and completed quickly, it saves time and avoids unnecessary repetition. So we will take a technical look at SOLIDWORKS macros today. So how they are used to automate CAD operations and how they can save a significant amount of time in your design workflow. And myself, Viknesh, a customer CE for SOLIDWORKS from EGS India. A SOLIDWORKS macro is an automated script used to perform repetitive tasks within the SOLIDWORKS environment. These macros help reduce manual work and improve efficiency by automatically performing actions such as creating features, changing dimensions, and exporting files. So they are commonly written using VBA or compatible programming languages and are useful for standardizing workflows and increasing productivity in design and engineering process also too. So let's see how it works. So you can run the pre-written VBA macros from online libraries or record simple macros using the built-in macro recorder without writing any code in SOLIDWORKS. So this recorder records the captures your actions and automatically generates the underlying VBA code, which can save and run later. So let's see an example here. I have a drawing file with multiple sheets. So the first sheet represents the detailing of the top level assembly, and the remaining sheets are representing the detailing of its subcomponents. So for manufacturing, I need a release to a detailed PDF of each component to various suppliers. However, SOLIDWORKS converts all drawing sheets into a single PDF at a time. So to customize this, we use a macro here. So I developed a macro and saved it as a macro file, and then I mapped it to a macro button and placed it in the command manager for the easy access. So with a single click, we can generate individual PDFs for each drawing sheet separately in SOLIDWORKS. So now I am able to share the detailed PDF of each component with the relevant suppliers. So this macro button remains available in the command manager in SOLIDWORKS. So this helps us to do the same for every drawing file and to be exported in the same way with just one click. So this is how the SOLIDWORKS macros help automate our daily design and detailing the tasks. So with a single click, we can save our valuable time by automating the repetitive tasks, reducing human errors, and improving the productivity. So by recording or programming macros, users can customize SOLIDWORKS to better fit their specific design and documentation needs, leading to more efficient and reliable engineering processes. Thank you.